If you've been following Tyrone Autohaus on social media, then you know we get our hands on the craziest cars, and this car is no exception. Behind me is a 2026 Rolls Royce Cullinan with the Urban Widebody body kit, and this kit is absolutely insane. So this car belongs to our good friend and longtime client at Topic on Instagram, and he just picked this car up. We just did front end paint protection film on this car, and let me tell you guys, this is one of the most difficult front end PPF jobs we have ever done. It was extremely time consuming. We PPF'd every single bit of the forged carbon on this front end to keep it looking very pretty, because he picked this car up with about 100 miles on it, so it is brand new. The kit is brand new, and we want to keep it looking brand new as long as possible. This car has a wide body kit. Literally everything had to be hand cut. There's no kit for this car. Fenders had to be hand cut. Hood had to be hand cut, considering that there's all this forged carbon on top of it. This had to be hand cut. Literally everything except for the headlights. We also wrapped every panel, as that is a Tyrone Autohaus standard, because when you're getting PPF, especially on a car like this, you don't want to see any of the edges, and you don't want to see any of the edges peeling back or getting dust or dirt contamination in them. To top that all off, we ceramic coated the entire vehicle to keep it looking glossy. And then to add to the interior, we PPF'd some of the high touch areas, such as around the door switches here, high touch points like the center console area over here, as well as the other door over there. And to match all the orange exterior accents, this car has an insane looking interior, kind of like a creamsicle with the orange and the white. I think it looks super good. It ties together extremely well with the exterior of the car. Like I said, if you've been following us on social media, then you know 2026 has been off to a great start for us. Starting with, we did a Bugatti Mistral, Bugatti Bolide, 2 Mines R34 GTRs, an RWB Porsche, Bugatti Tourbillon. We have tons of other stuff coming in, like a Porsche 918, one of the first US legal AMG Project 1s, and tons more. So if you're into cars and you love to see the work that we do, give us a follow on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on TikTok at Tyrone Autohaus on everything. And then all vertical.